We feel fear because we're able to anticipate a possible threat. Fear is a chain reaction in our brain that begins with a nerve-wracking stimulus and ends when the perceived threat is gone. So, how does fear work? What you saw is the stimulus. The thalamus will now process the sensory information. The thalamus will take the short path, which means that it would send the signals directly to the amygdala, providing an imprecise image of the possible threat. This is enough for the amygdala to send signals for action. It initiates areas in the brainstem that makes us freeze so that we can avoid the threat's attention. It also signals the nerves that control our facial muscles. This explains why our automatic terrified look could warn others of danger. The amygdala also alerts our hypothalamus, which starts the release of hormones like adrenaline. This triggers the fight or flight response, increasing our heartbeat, pulse rate, and sweating. Our senses become sharper and our body has sufficient energy to respond to an actual threat. While the amygdala is starting the fear response, the sensory information takes the long path. When you saw the stimulus, the thalamus is passing the information to the sensory cortex. The sensory cortex interprets the meaning of what you saw, providing a precise image of the possible threat after a few seconds. If what you saw turns out to be a threat, the information will be sent back to the amygdala to continue the fear response. If it turns out to be a false alarm, the amygdala is going to signal the hypothalamus to stop the fight or flight response. But wait! There's more! The fear alert also reaches the hippocampus and the prefrontal cortex, which work with the amygdala and other brain areas to make a memory of the situation, so that our memory of it would influence our response when we encounter the experience again. But why is fear hard to erase in our memory? Part of the reason for this dilemma is that the amygdala is well connected to the cerebral cortex, in which thinking and decision-making occur. The amygdala is in a much better position to influence and send more connection to the cerebral cortex than it gets back. This may explain why it's so hard to control our emotions, and why, once fear is learned, it's so hard to erase. What would the world be like without fear? We see fear as a weakness because it hinders our decision-making. But fear can be our powerful ally instead of an obstacle to overcome. It has the ability to focus us on what's important and prepare us for unexpected challenges. With a positive mind, we can conquer fear. Are you going to let fear conquer you?